Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this balance board that this brand sent to me for this video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but this is my gym right here, my home gym, and having something like this for specific exercises or for even doing cardio in your whole core synergistics in your whole body, this one is actually pretty great. It actually comes with everything you need right here. This is not going to be one of those that comes with a ball. This is actually with a frame, which I think it is really good. I think it's better actually. The other good thing is that it comes with silicone pads, so this won't damage your furniture, you won't damage your wooden floor, your tile or something like that. Best results is going to be if you have something like this, if you have kind of like a gym floor mat or something like that. That's going to be better for both this and also for your muscles. But of course, this one is about like 17 inches, so you have a lot of surface to actually grab from. You have a lot of surface to keep your balance and train your muscles. But let's actually jump on a closer look so you can see this one better and some really short demonstration as well. So here you can see a little bit better. So that's going to keep all the balance. You can see the frame, you can see the bolts, you can see the joints of course, and also you're going to see this really nice kind of like grip that's going to keep you all that grip. The other good thing will be to use it both or barefoot or with socks. That's going to give you the best grip, but you can use it with shoes 100%. So one of the best things about this one is that you can train your whole core if you want, just by keeping balance and engaging all your muscles, like being not tense, but applying some strength and keeping the balance. So one of the good things about this one is that you can use it this way and then kind of like keep the balance like this, for example. And then once you're there, you're going to put kind of like in this squat position and engaging your core. Well, now I'm speaking and everything. You shouldn't be speaking like that, but engaging your core with your legs and then your abs right here, your chest, your shoulders, and keeping that balance is what is going to give you good results in terms of like training your core by itself. You can also do your calves and kind of like keep the balance sideways. So this way you're going to kind of like train a little bit more of the side muscles on your legs, not too much of your core, but you're going to sure have a better back position when doing this and training the sides of your legs as well. And you can do push-ups. You can just grab from here from the handle. So I can't stretch right now because this is not the way that I do the push-ups. I do the push-ups in my garage actually, or what using this machine. But for example, let's imagine that I'm stretching out so I can do the push-ups right here with this board with the handles, or even better, I can actually do a plank just like this on the sides and keeping the balance like this on the sides as well. So this thing is actually very versatile and complete. You can do a ton of exercises. The best results is going to be for your core and 100% for your legs. Master that balance and also your core synergistics with this balance board.